Assists of Sam Leather. Team 2, Joe Nearing, Josh Nearing, and Eric Woodland. Team 3, Jackson Lee Jones, Cameron Davis, and David Fox. Team 4, Eddie Hales, Danny Hales, and Josh Proctor. And Team 5, David Tranter, Ryan Clark, and Jason Smith. It's the way it works. 3 Cowboys, 2 a team. You can see our Wild Cowboy official, the big man and the big hat, Mr. Randall Honey. Here's what they got to do. They got to get that cow across the line that we've drawn in the arena with the line. Get her across, then they can mug her, milk her, and come back to Mr. Honey, pour some milk out of the bottle. Now, if you like it wild and you like it western, boys and girls, this could be your event right here. All right. Sound man, Mr. Doug Bazan, gonna give them a little bit of chin music right now.